Hello and welcome. Have you spotted these tumblers at the Dollar Tree? They have a lemon slice and a watermelon slice. I don't know if they have any others. If you've come across anything else, let me know in the comments. But what we're going to do is make some cute vases using these tumblers and some ribbon twine from Dollar Tree, as well as some of the little glass pebbles for vase fillers. And I just used scissors and I used a hot glue gun. The straps are pretty easy to take off. You just have to push down and pull up and they should pop right off. You could probably take the remaining plastic pieces off pretty easily. I chose to just leave them on because I'm just doing this really quickly. I'm also going to utilize the lids. You can do this without the lids. I wanted to experiment a little bit, so I had my husband drill some holes into the lids so that I could arrange the flower stems the way I wanted without them moving around. I really think this is a cool project because of the fact you can do it really quick and easy and simple, or you can elaborate and come up with something really cool. For me, I just chose the quick and simple route. Here I'm combining two different types of Dollar Tree ribbon. It's a check print with some lace. I thought it would look nice with the yellow. I'm attaching them together with the hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the edge of the vase with hot glue. I chose to just eyeball measure the two sides for ribbon instead of going all the way around the vase. I thought it would be a little bit easier. I'm also making sure that I'm only attaching the ribbon to the base of the vase. You are still going to be able to take the lid on and off when we're all done with this. So my eyeball measurements weren't very accurate, but I'm not worried about precision because I'm going to do something really quick to fix up the little gaps on the sides there. I just took a small piece of ribbon, of the check ribbon, folded it in half and made a little cut so that there was a slit, and I just shimmied it onto the little plastic piece. I probably didn't even need to do this because my hope is once we put the flowers in it, you won't even really see this part. So far so good. I'm liking how this one is turning out. I think it's really nice and bright and cute for a kitchen. These are also great for if you're going to have any kind of party and want a simple, easy, cheap table toppers. I used some of those pebbles to add a little bit of weight to the bottom and also a little bit more interest to the whole look. And then I bought a bouquet from my grocery store. It was about $7 so that I could use the daisies. I just cut them individually and then started arranging them into the holes at the top. I did fill it with water. I would have liked the stems to have been longer, and I would have liked to have had more daisies, but you can do this however you want, use whatever you want, use artificial flowers to get the look that you want. Overall, I think it came out really cute. It's very bright and cheerful. I love it. For the next look, I was trying to achieve rustic watermelon. I unraveled the edge of the twine for more of a surface to start the gluing process. Then I just wrapped and glued my way around the whole vase and did this as many times as I wanted to get the width that I liked. Then I just repeated the steps that I did with the lemon tumbler, and this is the end result. I think it screams rustic watermelon, and it's really adorable. In the end, I think this was a very cute, simple, easy project. I've said all the words how many times now? But anyway, it was a fun project to make, and I'd love to see if you do something different. Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.